We, the executive members of Food Conduit, are excited to announce the Chaska 1.0, the Winter Food Festival of BIMTech,
and SuperChef 11.0, the Culinary Championship of BIMTech.
We await your presence on December 11, 2021.
It's been 2 years that SuperChef has been conducted due to pandemic. And in between our busy schedule, it has been an icebreaker to relieve our stress.
Cooking has always been a fun activity for us. So here we come to prepare our 3 P's, that is pizza, paneer, pataka.
And we are team Sugar and Spice,
SuperChef
SuperChef 11.0, here we come.
Hi, this is Ayushi.
And hi, this is Shashwat. We are Team Foodophiles.
So we are very excited for being the finalist of SuperChef 11.0.
Ayushi, I think Super Chef 11 is one kind of event which we have witnessed till now, right?
Definitely, Shashwat.
And you remember the tasting round where we tasted the Navratna Korma and had to taste down all the ingredients?
Yeah, surely it was a tough one.
And the quiz. So guys, root for Team Foodophiles. Thank you.
Why are people talking? Just keep quiet, please, please. Hey Charu, we got shortlisted for the finals of Super Chefs.
Oh my god, yay! I'm super excited for Super Chef!
Alright. Hey peeps, we are Team Dalgona
We're gonna cuties! I'm Charu
And I'm Neshya.
from IBM. Nesha, what do you think we should make for our final round?
Pav?
Something cheesy? Cheesy pav!
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We are Team SNS and we are super excited for SuperChef 11.0, and it's our first time that we will be cooking together in front of so many people in such a large scale.
And it's the flagship event of Food Conduit which is taking place at a very grand scale. That's why also we are very much excited. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
நீங்க சமையல் பண்றீங்க நான் கட் பண்ணி தரேன்
ஓகே
Vanakkam. We are Team Chef from South and we are super excited to cook a very traditional and healthy dish which is tomato risam and chettinad potato fry in SuperChef 11.0.
ஸோ அபவுட் திஸ் இவெண்ட்டில் நாங்கள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைக் 2 ரவுண்ட்ஸ் கிளியர் பண்ணுறதுக்கே இட் வாஸ் லைக் வெரி எக்ஸைட்டிங் ஃபேக்டராக இருந்துச்சு பிகாஸ் நாங்கள் 2 பேரும் யோசிச்சு கூட பார்க்கல இந்த ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு ஃபைனல்ஸ் வரைக்கும் வருவோன்ட்டு. ஸோ இட்ஸ் வெரி பேசிக்கலி வெரி எக்ஸைட்டிங் அண்ட் வெரி லைக் வாட் டு சே
We didn't expect that we will make it
we'll make
to the
our
final
best
round.
in the final round.
And we will try to give our best in the final round.
Thank you.
एक बार कर लेते हैं.
Hello everyone, I am Rupal Bhargav.
And I'm Radha Gupta
We are Team Chature champions.
and we are quite excited to be a part of the event SuperChef 11.0.
We are planning to prepare a fusion dish.
And it is a fusion of Nepali and Mexican cuisine
We have given a quite interesting name to our dish.
which we are going to reveal on the D day.
Hope this dish turns out to be a winning dish of Super Chef.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Franchi.
Hi Sanskriti.
Hi everyone. We are
Team
Trailblazers. So how excited are you to be a part of this competition?
I'm super excited, Sanskriti. How about you?
Well, I am too because this is the first time we are participating in any cooking competition.
So we are very thankful for the Food Conduit for conducting such a great event.
And we are very excited to make Sindhi's culture authentic dish which is
Sindhi curry, which will be served with koki. So see you guys on 11th.
Hi everyone, we are Team Zordar. Today we are going to tell us about our experience during this competition. First of all, I'd like to tell that by engaging in this competition, we've learned to really appreciate what it takes to get some food on our plates.
Additionally, we will gain knowledge how to prepare a complete meal in terms of nutrition.
It also added valuable life skills in terms of working as a team and creating and cooking.
Also, we will gain confidence by presenting our recipe in front of the judges. Thank you everyone, and thank you Super Chef for giving us this golden opportunity.
We
look
all
forward
await your presence in the competition
at the
3.
finale.
Thank you.
Hi fellow foodie.
And hi Sushi.
Sushi?
Yeah, in case you're wondering, that's what actually we call her.
Hi, we are Dual Drama. My name is Shubhi.
And I'm Rudrajit. And we are very excited to meet you on the food fest that is conducted by Food Conduit, that is SuperChef 11.0.
And though we are amateur cooks, surely very excited to cook and add a little drama to the food that we give you.
And here's,
Here's
to
to dual drama.
Hi everyone, I'm Hima
I'm Khushbu.
and we are team
Pani
Puri. And we would like to thank Food Conduit of BIMTech for organizing such a great event. It has been an amazing experience for both of us and also for other contestants as well.
And we really enjoyed the whole arrangement done by the Food Conduit. We really enjoyed all the rounds, and especially the second round where we tasted Navratan Korma, and we would like to ask every person in the campus to come and spectate the last final round. And
guys, please cheer and motivate all of us. We really need you all there.
And
thank
Just don't get nervous, Anjana. मेरे बात तुझे बोलना है कि we are not going to reveal the dish yet, but this is what.
Hi everyone, my name is Pallavi and I'm from Gurgaon.
Hello everyone, I'm Inchara, I'm from Karnataka.
And we are team Grills and Chills. So I would describe myself as a big time foodie and I have a passion for cooking since I run my own food blog.
The reason we teamed up together was to show an amalgamation of cultures here, since I'm from South and she's from North. And I think we make up a good team.
We are very excited about the Super Chef event. The first 2 rounds were very much fun and we really look forward to performing very well in the 3rd round.
And yes, we are not deciding to reveal our dish yet, but we are sure that we'll give a tough competition here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Somaranjan and from Team Dipod. So I am a person with great interest in cooking, so I wanted to win the finals. I am really excited to win the final and I am witnessing this for the first time. It will motivate me to go for the MasterChef because I always wanted to be a part of MasterChef. So basically I am trying a parval. So I think everyone has tried parval in different ways and I believe that most of the people don't like in the north. So I hope I'll make you like it, and I am trying a different way and an innovative way to make it, which is cheesy parval korma. So guys, please come to this event and enjoy. So thank you.